What is up, man? Only cars review in the building, man. So I mean, this is like my work hoodie. It's faded. It's been done. That's it. I'm done with it already. So I'm using this as my work hoodie. I want to show you guys a couple of things that I started to do. Okay, my trunk is a little bit messy, but that was before I decided to do what I'm doing now. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it is. It's early in the morning. I just got out of bed. I just wanted to service this car real quick. I have not brushed my teeth. I haven't been in the shower. It's just me from the bed straight downstairs. Just put this hoodie on and that's it. Let me show you guys what I have in the back here. So yep, I don't know if you guys can see. This is the power steering line. It's leaking from right here. Let me point to this place right here. So I might do this on another day. Cut and joint, that's what I'm gonna do, because luckily it's not leaking from this line that goes to the radiator. It just leaks from right to this joint, so that makes it even easier for me, and we'll see about that. So right now we're just here to change the oil. So I got my drain pan right there, my oil pan, and I'm gonna loosen this. What is this? It's a 14. I'm gonna loosen it. So it's difficult holding the thing with one hand. Okay, it's already slacked. It's a bit difficult loosening it with one hand and doing a video. So it's not hot, it's warm. So this is the tricky part because it pours with force. So you want to apply a little bit of pressure while you're loosening it. So when it gets to that point, you just pour it out. You just release your hands real fast because you don't want oil wasted on you like that. See? And it got right in the spot. So this is the drain plug. So we're gonna let it drain. Boy. Okay. And this is the drain plug. You can see it's clean. There's no debris or oil or anything in there. So that's good for it. So while it drains out, I'm gonna be let me take that opportunity, take that time to show you guys. Let me put it right here. Show you guys my setup. So this is my Huskies. This is my Husky. It should be a 250 something tools box. This is it right here. I'm gonna fix that. I got this from AutoZone. This was a combo. My creeper is on the way, guys. That's why I'm using this. Okay, as a mechanic, you have to learn to improvise. You cannot say, oh, there's no creeper, so I cannot do my job. That's absurd. That's a poor excuse. So I'm using this because the floor is wet, as you can see, and my creeper is on the way. I'm coming, mommy. So these are my various types of filters. I got this off of Marketplace. I got the small one and the big one. For the Camry, we're not going to use this type. It uses the element filter. And this is it. This is what it uses. Okay, my car is high mileage, guys. So I don't mind what kind of oil goes in it right now. It's 172,000 miles. So, and I've been using this. I use these on the what's the name of it? On the Chevy. It worked perfectly fine. So I got this off of Marketplace too. Okay, this is a 2-ton flow jack. Okay, I'm going to upgrade to a 3-ton, but I got this because I needed it really fast. And I got the 3-ton. These are brand new stuff, guys, like brand new. I got this off a deal. I got this, and this. I got it for $80. Tell me if it was a good deal or not. And I got these off of Marketplace. This entire thing here, I got it for $15. Nice. I have another customer over there who's going to get their oil. I'm going to come back. I'm going to change their oil as well. So let me know if you want me to change your oil. and let me know if you don't. Of course, you have to stay hydrated. Okay, so for excuse it being dirty, it needs to be clean, but focus on the content. This is what is in there. It's clean. All right. This is my mobile workshop right here. Excuse this, all of these, they're gonna get cleaned up, take them upstairs. I brought them downstairs because I was doing some work upstairs. I didn't want them in the way. So basically this is my mobile mechanic setup. If you want me to drive over to you, you let me know. I drive over to you. And if you want to come over, you can come over. I can do your oil change here as well. So let me know. Okay, let me do this thing and I'll get back to you guys. So I'm done tying the drain bolt back. It's all wiped nice and clean. I'm loosening the filter right now. Yep, so be careful when you're doing it, because if you don't be careful, it's gonna pour and it's gonna cause some serious dirt you don't want cleaning. Okay, so that's how it is. So I'm gonna take this out, clean the housing, change the filter, and then put it back. All right, let's do that. This is it right here. This is the old one. This is the new one. It's obvious, you can see. And this is the housing that it fits in. So this has to be cleaned. And normally,
Daddy, guess what I'm gonna do?
yeah, this will have to be cleaned. And the new seal. The new seal installed. But when I took it off, I'm about to go under there and check again. When I took it off, it's just this seal that is on there. I didn't see a top seal like this one. So my guess is this one only have this seal. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean it up. As you can see, the filter and the seal is all changed. It's just to put it back on. This is the old seal, the old filter. I use this tool to get the what's the name of it, the seal from the old seal from the thing. So make sure you use maybe like a flat screwdriver. You don't want to break anything. You don't want to tamper with the threading and stuff here. So let's go ahead and put it back on. So I got it right there. I'm using my hands to tie it nicely until I feel that tightness. Then I use the ratchet to screw it. So let's go ahead and do that, okay? Because I have another customer to change the oil, so I can't waste too much time. I guess you have the idea. So once you're done with down, you have to come up and pour your oil. Pour it to reach to a certain level, and then you start the vehicle to get the actual measurement on the dipstick. So right now I'm going about I have like 2 liters more. I'm gonna keep going. That's the sound of a fire alarm. All right, so I'm gonna stop right here. Check my dipstick. Fire it up. Look under there if there's any leakage or anything. And then we good to go. So let me check the dipstick. I got it started. I'm gonna check underneath if there's any oil leaks. Let's come on here and see. So my muffler is leaking, and my power steering line is leaking, as you know. So ain't nothing strange. So let's observe the thing around. See, this is not oil. It's all good under here. Check the drain plug. Nothing. I'll have to tackle this thing another time. Okay, so this thing is leaking from right here. So you have to remove this. It's leaking from right here. I can feel the air see the air escaping from right up here. Okay, so that is that. You have to buy the entire long pipe from over there all the way here. So that's good. Got it up. All right, camera is all done. I just did a little a light wiping of everything here. I'm gonna get the engine degreaser and degrease the entire engine. That's gonna be another video. But as a mechanic, when you're done, just clean around the surface a little bit. You don't have to do. This is not a deep cleaning session, okay? It's not an engine cleaning session, but just to prove to your customer that you're a clean person. Wipe down everything, and when you're done, what do? Close the hood. So this car uses 5 quarts of oil in this bottle. This one is 4. It's 4.73. It says 5 quarts, but it's not enough for the camera. So probably I'll need another quart to get the job done. So I'm gonna get this car off the ramp, and I'm gonna do this one next. I may not show you the process of this one. I might just do it. I'm gonna just go in and out real quick on doing this one. So as you can see, it's raining, but you gotta make the bread, so you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's put the camera down from the ramp, put the Hyundai up. Another important process is for those cars that have the most recent cars that have the engine oil reset, button or system that you have to go through the instrument cluster and reset the oil life. You have to do that too. Unfortunately, this one does not have. The Hyundai has it, so I'm going to show you guys how it's done with the Hyundai. So it's 172,264. I'm doing 5,000 because I'm doing 5,000. Somebody might say, oh, it's a high mileage, so you can do 4,000 or 4,500, but it's my car. I'm doing 5,000. So I put the next service date, and this is where it's supposed to go. So Valvoline, thank you for your service. I actually ordered the wrong service sticker. I wanted something like this that's transparent, but I didn't get it. So what I got is what I'm going to use until I get the other one. Hopefully it'll be the same thing. So let's go ahead and slap this bug right up here. And there you are. You are reminded. So let's go ahead and put the Camry off the ramp and hop on the Hyundai real quick, because I got stuff to do. Can't spend my whole day doing a car oil change. You have to be as fast as you can. I just did this very slow because I wanted you guys to see the process. But let's go ahead and get the Hyundai started and fire it up. The rain keeps. I don't get the rain today, guys. I really don't get the rain. It's off and on. It's heavy. It's not heavy. It's heavy. It's not heavy. It's crazy, man. I don't get the rain today. Like, for real. Look now. Now it's pouring. Now I have to go and close the camera. Now I have to get under the rain. Please. Oh boy, it's pouring. I got to close the camera and I gotta turn it off because it's pouring on here. Oh boy, raining crazy today. Oh, now I got some tools outside in the rain. Bruh. I got my whole mechanic paper towel stuff right here. Need that. It's for the shop. I mean, I could work under the rain, no stress, no problems about that. That's relatively what we do normally. As a mechanic, you should be able to work in harsh weather types, whatever it is. Let me wipe this thing real quick. Shouldn't bother you. But let me go ahead and move the Camry off the ramp. Put this car there and let's do what we gotta do, okay? The Hyundai on the rock. Alright, the Hyundai is on the ramp. For the Hyundai, the filter is a little bit different from the filter of the Hyundai is a little bit different from that of the Camry. So this one is an actual filter, not the element type that you find on the Camry. So this one I'll have to use either the filter belt. I'll have to use either this one or this one. Either one works, okay? It just depends on wherever situation you find yourself or whatever tool that works for you. That's why as a mechanic you should have a whole bunch of tools, you know, at your convenience, like at your fingertip, like you need it, because at the end of the day you need those tools very, very, very quick. So in order to assist with the oil pouring out very fast from the oil pan. Damn, this thing is tight. Let me try and loosen this thing. In order to assist with the oil pouring out very fast from the oil pan, you have to loosen the oil tap, so it allows that gravitational force. Always make sure your frontal is nice and clean, properly inspected if there's no water or no debris or dirt or anything. So, and you want to clean this one after you've done everything. You want to wipe this nicely and put it back on. So let's go underneath and do what we can do. All right, and the concept is the same. Hold on, like this thing. The concept is the same. This is the oil filter right here. This is the drain bolt right there. So the concept remains the same, okay? It doesn't matter what car it is. The concept will still remain the same. All you have to do is you will have to locate where the filter is. Some cars, the filter is on top, you know, and some of them is here. So you just have to properly check to see where the filter is so you know what to do. But the bottom line remains the same. The drain plug or the oil pan remains underneath. It's always underneath the car, okay? So locate the oil pan and don't mistake the oil pan for the transmission pan, and before you get yourself into a bigger problem. All right, so let's do this. So yeah, unlike the Camry, this one is 18. The Camry was a 14. This one is an 18 nut for the drain bolt. I mean, the process remains the same. Few things you have to identify and you're good to go. So we have to let this pour out as much as it can, empty that oil pan, and then we reverse the process. Okay, let's just say. So after this is all done nicely, we put the drain plug back, and then we have to tackle the filter to get it out. So let's wait a little bit. This one was a pain because boy, oh boy, to get this filter out using this, man, I'm gonna get the actual one, the one that looks like a socket, and put it on, because I'm not repeating that process. Especially if it was on a lift, well, it was gonna be perfectly fine, but it's not on a lift. On a ramp, you have limited ground clearance. It's crazy. So let me do this quick because I have to take my kid for her dental appointment, and I show you guys when I'm done with it. Okay, so everything is good from underneath here. We have the new oil filter there. Everything is okay, nice and clean. Make sure I wipe everything down, because you don't want your workstation to be dirty. It's going to reflect on the kind of mechanic you are. So now we're about to go on top, fill up the oil just like the Camry. Let's do that. This one, because it's a new car with relatively low mileage, 121,000, so we recommend the Valvoline Premium Full Synthetic for this one, and it's the same spec with Hyundai 5W20. So we're going to put the oil in here, and same thing, just pour it up. Don't make a mess. Just do it nice and clean, nice and gently, and you're good to go. I've just put the first portion of oil in. I'm going to start it up. Normally the oil filter takes a little bit of the oil, so make sure the engine compartment is clear of anything. Make sure it's clear of anything that could fall and possibly cause problems. So make sure you inspect anything, even if you didn't put anything there. Make sure you check around the serpentine belt area. Look around here. Make sure this is tight. Okay, even though you're still going to open it and add the remaining oil, but just make sure everything is okay. Yeah, we're good. So we'll hop in here and we started. All right, so we're started, and now we're going to look underneath if there's any potential oil spill. So now we look right there. Let's go underneath. Got the filter. The filter is nice and clean. Drain bolt is nice and clean. And I think we're good to go. Let it run a little bit. Go around the engine. When we are done, we will check the oil again and refill till we reach the top. So this one is done. I don't know if you can see the oil level, but it's right there on the S. And we're good. A big thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. I know it's a little bit different than what we normally do on here, but again, this page or this channel is all about cars, and we have cars, so, and I always tell you guys I have some mechanical knowledge, so why not show you guys what I can do. Put your clothes on, we're about to go. Check, I'm coming. All right guys, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Till I see you guys in the next one, I am out.